from the poor traveling days. Oh Lord, please, can't you hear my prayers? So I rode my buddy up the mountain to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my buddy up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and this is Gurudongmar vlog. So in case if you're not seen my other vlogs, please go ahead and watch my Lachung vlog and also Gangtok vlog. In that I have covered how I have come to Gurudongmar and how I planned my itinerary. And so here's the thing you want to know about the Gurudongmar. So the moment you start from Gangtok, and there is a Y junction which is called Chumtang. So from Chumtang you can either go to the last point with 0 point via Yumtang Valley, or you can go to Gurudongmar, which is another last point from Chumtang. So first I have covered Yumtang, and please go ahead and watch the vlog in my previous day travel. And now I am in Gurudongmar. So currently we are in Chatin, and Chatin is the place where we decided to stay overnight and start to Gurudongmar. Here it takes 2.5 hours for us to reach to Gurudongmar. So I am here at the cab. We are about to start. It's around 6:30 right now, and so on the way I am going to update you how my travel has been, and I'm going to give you a background on Gurudongmar. So guys, first things first, so Gurudongmar lake is one of the highest lakes in the world, and it is at 18,000 feet high, so it will be a very high altitude. So be prepared, and it will be very, very cold. Like currently I'm in Chatin and it is around 1 degrees and Gurudongmar lake will be approximately minus 15 degrees. So make sure you layer up. So I'm currently wearing 6 layers. So this is not even my top layer. My top layer is a huge down jacket. Also wear woolen socks and good trekking shoes which can cover your feet, and also wear thick gloves. We will be stopping at one more checkpoint and collecting the oxygen cylinder, because we want to be extra careful because the oxygen levels will be completely low. So as and when I am progressing the journey, I am going to keep updating you. I am super excited. Bye bye.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night.
Hey guys, so I'm on the Tangu bridge. So Tangu village is the last village in this terrain, and this is also our first pit stop after Chatin. And this village is also the place where you show your permits here, and you have to remember this very carefully. If you're planning to Gurudongmar, you have to start very early, because you have to reach this checkpoint before 10 a.m. Otherwise, suppose that you will not be able to they will not let you cross this checkpoint. And this is the place where you get the mobile connectivity also, and beyond this there is no mobile connectivity. Also there are no shops. There are only 4 shops here, where if you want to buy any chocolates or any munching stuff. So now we are done with our permits, and now we are heading to Chopta Valley.
In the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we
guys, after Tangu village, we are supposed to stop at Chopta Valley, but we did not stop because we wanted to finish Gurdongmar first. Because Gurdongmar, after 12 o'clock, you're not allowed to go there because the temperature drops, and also the weather can become very unpredictable. And just after Chopta Valley, you will not find any kind of trees. The tree line ends there, and then you'll only find some dry kind of bushes, and also very, very minimal vegetation. But the entire stretch is very bumpy, but the view is amazing. And now we have taken pit stop for the last permit before we reach Gurdongmar, and currently I am at 15,000 feet altitude. So I'll go to the washroom, freshen up a little bit, and also we consciously stopped here because we were told that every pit stop we have to take 10 to 15 minutes break to kind of get familiarized with the altitude and to acclimatize. So hence we took a pit stop. So now only the next pit stop is Gurdongmar. See.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night.
So guys, finally I've reached Gurdongmar, and I am just at the cliff of this lake, and this one side of this entire view is covered with snow-clad mountains, the other side is all with sandy mountains, and the valley you see behind me is the Gurdongmar lake, which is frozen currently. What I experienced in Leh, the kind of altitude sickness I did not experience, and I'm so glad I did not. I'm going to trek down in some time, and I'm going to take some footages closer to this lake. This lake is totally beautiful, and I'm running out of words to explain what I'm feeling right now, and it's very overwhelming for me because I thought I will not be able to finish the stretch. So yeah, this is the view, how it looks like.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right.
Gurdongmar Lake is considered to be carrying religious significance both in Buddhist and Sikh religions. The surprising fact about this sanctified lake is that even in extreme winters, a part of lake never freezes. The myth behind this is that Gurdongmar had once touched and consecrated this lake, made it partially frozen throughout the year. The lake also carries curing properties, so make sure you fill a bottle of water while you're at the lake. And don't forget to watch my next vlog, in which I'll be going to Chumtang Gurudwara, and I'm going to tell you how to consume this water while mixing the water you find it in the Gurudwara in Chumtang.
My white dress, an overwhelming second of regret. Driving on a freeway with no exit signs, losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right, and all the different phases.
Guys, we are done walking around, taking pictures and exploring the lake. Now we are heading back to our car. So climbing the stairs is very difficult. That's because we are on 18,000 feet high and there's less oxygen, and also there's most of the people feel lack of breathlessness, and because the oxygen is so low. and you will feel nauseating and you will get headaches. That is totally normal. Also, do not panic. The medical facilities are real on the point here. They are oxygen cylinders, so people will take care of you. However, once you come here, do not keep running or jumping, and do not walk fast. Take it easy, take it slow. And now we are heading back to Chatin, and on the way, most probably we will cover Chopta based on how the climate is. Now we are heading back. Bye bye.
Reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. All the days.
So guys, we have reached Chopta Valley, and so during the summers this valley is filled with alpine flowers, and currently you can see the whole background is filled with snow, and this is a very beautiful view from here, but there's a lot of construction going on. That's why you could see all this gravel and everything here. And this is also one of the pit stops that you should take if you're going to Guru Dongmar. So after this we are heading back to Chatin, and then we'll check out and go to Chumtang, and then we will stay in Chumtang tonight, and tomorrow we will explore Chumtang. So this is the end of this vlog of Guru Dongmar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Signing off from Chopta Valley.